In the Renderworks training CD, you'll learn the lighting, texturing, and rendering techniques you need to make your 3D designs stand out. A series of 4 tutorials will take you from fast and simple techniques to more sophisticated ones that take advantage of all the power in Renderworks 2008. You'll begin by applying textures to this chair and learn an effective lighting technique you can use on many types of 3D models. In the next project, you'll have a chance to create new textures that become the materials or surfaces in your 3D model, including the use of this rendering from the first tutorial as a poster on the wall of this exhibit. You'll also get a chance to use a broader range of light types and lighting techniques. Project 3 uses a building from the Architect Training CD and explores exterior lighting. You'll create a daylight rendering that casts the correct shadows for a given location and time of year, as well as an evening scene in which the light spills out of the building's interior. You'll also learn how to use image props, such as these trees, which let you make 2D pictures appear as 3D objects in your rendering. In the final project, we'll look at some of the most advanced new features of Renderworks 2008. Using this cafe interior, you'll create a daylight rendering using area lights and radiosity rendering. For this night scene, you'll match these models of lighting fixtures to data files from the lighting manufacturer. These files provide the precise light distribution patterns of actual fixtures, allowing you to see exactly how a light will look in your design.